Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the first updated notification.
This story is not a fairy tale. Instead, it is about a living fairy whose inspiration and humanity service was admired by the world. She was a living example for mankind, and her work slowly upgraded health through nursing.
The sun has risen as always. It was mid-1820s, 12th May 1820. A baby girl was born in a wealthy family in Grand Duchy of Tuscany, Florence. She was named after the city she was born, that is Florence Nightingale.
She was different since her childhood. She flourished to be a different person beyond existing the conventional limitation set for a female of her time. At the time when the girls of her age would enjoy playing, laughing, dancing with each others and dreaming of luxurious life, she could see pain even in animals.
Yes, it was a normal day, but not for Florence. She found an injured puppy who was in pain, and the beautiful heart felt his pain. So she took him to her home and took care of him. This incident changed her life forever. From that day onward, God called her into His service to serve the humanity, and then she took the decision to become a nurse.
Life was not easy for Florence. Her dream to become a nurse was objected by her parents. At that time, nursing was not a dignified and respected profession. Every parent wanted their children to be happy, and knowing how disrespectful her dream was, her parent refused her.
Her long-lost dream, which had deep passion in the core of her heart, enlightened her mind, and then she decided to attend nursing training center in Germany. Within her training, she found out that the patients die simply because the hospitals were not clean and patients lack having good food and hygienic care.
She continued her service and was promoted as nursing superintendent. She thought it was a chance to open a nursing school where humanity blossomed.
Shoot that motherfucker!
More than 80,000 soldiers were injured and many died as the hospitals were very dirty and the sanitary conditions were dirty too.
Even night, she attended that wounded soldier. She cared, supported, and loved them. She focused on sanitation, safety, clean food for the injured soldier. She carried a lamp in her hand for care of them.
For the soldiers, she was the living angel. And then the soldiers named her as Lady with the Lamp. She emerged out as the inspiration for the mankind, and her name is still now written in golden letter.
Here comes the ending of our play with a chorus poem. With magic touch to fevered brow, to ease your pain, her only thought.
Earnest, quiet, swift, and calm, divining wishes, praise, and unsought.
On silent willing feet she goes, your perfect comfort first she seeks.
Her only dreams are health for you, as she her lonely vigil keep.
Your life, what splendid recommends. For those their 3 golden years she gave, an autocrat, a selfless soul, your stern command, yet your slave.